Augusta St. Pierre and Fermont South are your referees. Ryan Daisy, Travis Garlitz are the linesmen. Tampa Bay has won 10 of the last 11 meetings at Amalie Arena. Now here comes Carolina again. It's Aho in front. Svechnikov hits the post. Svechnikov comes close on a speed rush again by Carolina. Almost stripped that puck away, but instead it's moved back inside the line and then give it up to Fost. Fost, who's very smart and crafty defensively, starts to play up the ice to Aho, gets it back to Fost. Fost across, they score! That is an excellent passing play, buried by Brett Pesce, and Carolina scores first.
Penceman jumping up on the play, Lightning being really aggressive there. That was Chernett way up in the offensive zone, and then McDonough coming across to fold underneath to his side. So now you have a forward and Coleman coming across to try and cover up in the middle. A forward playing defense. He's got the right idea, but he's sliding a little too fast. He had some bad luck, too. You see that puck went underneath the shaft of the stick, right by his hand.
Back to Aho. Aho in front. Jordan Staal tries to dance out. They jam away at the side of the net. McElhinney's down. The puck goes over the net. And it's cleared around the boards, and the Lightning dodge a bullet. Another shot off a stick and high.
We'll do a walkout from the edge of the net. Little spin around move, and then McElhinney really gets shoved by Staal. It could have been goalie interference. He has trouble getting back into position, but look at McDonough.
They drop the puck, and Tyler Johnson wins it, pulls it back. This is one area where they've been much improved. That's face-offs, and they control the puck right off the bat. Here's a good start for the Lightning. Point dancing around up high in the zone. Tries to cut in onto his backhand. Point gets the shot away. Reimer the save. Rebound for Joseph, and he fires it high and wide.
Braden Point, who's as quick as anybody in the National Hockey League. Those first couple of steps, he leaves a lot of guys in the dust. Gets to a bad angle. Almost slipped that one under.
To the point, off the skates of Ruda, and the Canes come back. Odd man rush. Here's Jordan Staal. Staal waits. Trailer shoots. McElhinney knocked down by his own man, and the shot was blocked as Hedman backed right into McElhinney as the pressure just forced him all the way back.
Hedman is caught inside the zone on the far side of your screen, and so when you have turnovers out by the blue line, look what happens, and they're coming in waves. Stamkos back checks hard.
And he's working his way back to the bench, limping all the way. Now back the other way. Here comes a power move there by Staal. Penalty call coming up. Wraparound attempt, and it comes out to the slot, touched by the Bolts. And a power play on the way for Carolina.
Then reading the speed through the neutral zone. That's Jordan Staal knifing his way laterally.
Carolina shorthanded. Here's a dangerous rebound and a save made by McElhinney on a great shorthanded chance for Staal.
A couple of things sort of surprised him. This long shot from wide, I don't know if he changed his mind on how he wanted to make the save, but when he kicked it out, it was whoops.
Here's Jake Bean looking for a lane to shoot. There's the drive that's deflected, bounces out. Big toe save by McElhinney, and the rebound in tight. He didn't even know where it was, but he kept it out.
Puck's going to go high over the net. He can't see it. Now he's looking to his left, but it's come out to the right. How about that for a terrific save? Holy smokes. That right leg is going to be about 4 inches longer than the left leg tonight, I think, when he goes to bed. 2 or 3 times at least in this game where Yanni Gourde has been just a tad late looking for a loose puck that's not there.
Just a 12 shot on net. Here comes Sergachev. He scores! Mikhail Sergachev with his first of the season, and did they need that? And it's a tie game, 1-1.
See what he sees. He's just looking down. He went far side. I thought that went short side. What does Reimer do? He's got to protect that near side post. Oh, went off the inside of his blocker. Literally off the fingers. He doesn't turn the blocker towards the puck. He has his stick in his hand.
Couldn't get that thing to sit down, I think. It'll give and go up to Slavin. Slavin, shot back, he'll drive. McElhinney's hanging on to that goal line, and it is not in.
He thinks it's maybe going to go around the net, but oh, he does a nice job with the pads, keeps it out.
Stepping in, it's Svechnikov, a shot. That's blocked. He gets it back. Hamilton to Svechnikov. Svechnikov across, Staal shoots, tip, save, McElhinney, rebound, cleared, held to the line. Up top, Wow, you talk about bending and not breaking. Here's Hamilton in front, and that hits the post. It got past McElhinney, off the post, and out. Another drive goes wide.
But Carolina was really smart. I've often wondered so many times where a guy does not have a stick. There's the one off the crossbar off of Trocheck as he looks up at the sky.
Good face-off battle win there by Goodrow. Here comes Sergachev, steps up, he shoots, and Reimer makes a good save on Sergachev, who creates an excellent scoring opportunity.
I think he tried to get the goaltender moving because he's in prime scoring area, and then he still hesitates a little more. Like right there.
Gord battling for that one. It's pulled back into the corner. Yanni Gord reaching for the puck, and it's forced out by the Canes, and now here's a 2-on-1. Niederreiter in, shoots, and a save made by McElhinney.
Kind of stuff the Lightning D-men do all the time. Niederreiter knows he has somebody coming with. It was really well played by Sergachev.
Johnson had followed up, but the Hurricanes step out with numbers again. Fogle drops it off, Svechnikov in, saved by McElhinney. On another good chance. They've been playing with 5D for a while now, since middle part, I guess, of the second period, Brian. Here's Gord, centers it out in front for Foote, and a save made by Reimer. On a great chance there for Cal Foote.
Good work along the wall, which is the usual forte of the Gord line. And then the quickness.
The center, onto the backhand, lifts it in. Hedman's back there, given a shove by Fogle, and comes around the boards for Slavin. Slavin's shot, saved by McElhinney. There was traffic in front. Now a stretch pass up ahead to Gord. Gord in, shoots, scores! Yanni Gord picks the top corner. What a shot! And it's 2-1 Tampa.
They've got great shots. What a terrific pass by Victor Hedman, who saw Yanni Gord moving. And Reimer's, I think, going, are you kidding me? That was actually in? But look at Gord. He gets all the snap on that one. How about that for perfection? Just barely under the crossbar and off the post, right inside. And Reimer goes, are you kidding?
And they weather another big storm, and they are perfect tonight in the penalty kill. Here comes Joseph, cuts in, shoots, save, Reimer, rebound, and fanning on that one was Ruda.
Because of fatigue here and because of lack of numbers with Cernak out.
Carolina comes out 3-on-2, stepping in over the line. Drop pass, there's a long shot, rebound, McElhinney got that too. Couple of big saves there by Curtis.
Joseph to get on his horse and try and come back and help out, but it shouldn't be that much.
He's stepping up in the absence of Cernak. Aho dishes off. Return feed, big save by McElhinney on Brady Shea. What a stop by Mac.
Out from behind the net, and Fost is going to find Shea.
Throws it back towards the Carolina bench. They're having a tough time working this puck up the ice with time ticking away. Their last push is right now. That pass is intercepted. Goodrow, empty netter, bears it. Second straight night that Goodrow has found the empty net, and he makes it 3-1 Tampa Bay.
He's completely made a crazy dumb pass. Here he comes up the middle of the ice. He's trying to fake out guys up the ice and doesn't even realize where Goodrow is. Goodrow's in prime position.
To the line, held in, into the corner. Here's Stahl across, one-timer, didn't get all of it. McElhinney, one more save. Curtis McElhinney, a big part of a story tonight for the Lightning as they win their third straight against the Carolina Hurricanes.